Government of Odisha unfurls a new vista of exciting opportunities. Welcome to Dhamra, a port-based manufacturing hub located right next to one of India's deepest draft ports. In addition to being adjacent to a rapidly expanding all-weather seaport, Dhamra is well connected to Bhubaneswar via NH16 as well as Howrah-Chennai Rail Link and National Waterway 5. The manufacturing hub has 6 industrial zones which are buffered with ample green spaces, with each zone having its own utilities and public amenities. Designed with flexibility to set up manufacturing facilities for sectors like food processing, textiles, fertilizers, chemicals and pharmaceuticals, the industrial area is also supported by a logistics hub. The industrial infrastructure is complemented with dedicated commercial, recreational and residential zones. The region provides the benefit of intermodal transport and is also a part of the Dhamra-Paradip corridor, one of the 14 coastal economic zones under the Sagarmala program. Dhamra has strong hinterland connectivity and is a part of the Chennai-Kolkata East Coast Economic Corridor. It is also an attractive value proposition for tapping into the markets of Southeast Asia. With planned industrialization and urbanization, Dhamra is poised to become a favored destination for industrial development in the region.